How to download and install Deliveroo mobile app. Let's see this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the Deliveroo mobile application can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So the first step is you need to open up your Google Play Store application, and in the upper section you can see the search bar. Simply tap over there and you have to search for Deliveroo. Once you do that, you'll be able to see this application. You have to simply tap on the install option at the right hand side of the application, and it will start to download, which depends upon your internet connection. And once it's downloaded, you can create your account, or if you already have got your account, then you can log into your account. Once you create your account, you can choose your favorite dish and you can order, and it will be delivered easily. Moreover, you'll also be able to get the exclusive offers from time to time, so you can stay updated and deliver from over here. Here are also so many features and services which can be done from Deliveroo application. And after a few seconds, you can see Deliveroo application has been installed on the device. From over here, you have to simply tap on open option and it will be opened up. So this is how you download and install Deliveroo mobile app. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.